An ad hoc committee comprising the leadership of the House of Representatives, excluding the Speaker and Deputy Speaker, has been saddled with the responsibility of screening the service chiefs appointed by President Bola Tinubu.
We will yield the floor to the CDS.
The House chose to set up this committee headed by the chairman of the House Committee of Defense in the Ninth Assembly, as against carrying out the screening exercise during plenary like the Senate.
We must therefore work collectively to deliver more on the goals of this administration, to drastically reduce cases of insecurity across the country. While the House will continue to support this vision through our legislative activities, we shall also embark on rigorous oversight exercises beginning from this screening to ensure that the armed forces of Nigeria adhere strictly to the provisions of all appropriation acts as will be eventually passed by the National Assembly and assented to by Mr. President.
The chiefs of defense and army staff have their say, and the screening continues behind closed doors.
I shall build bridges by revitalizing communication channels while deepening synergy in planning and execution of operation within a well-coordinated, joint, and multi-agency environment. The contemporary of security challenges within the armed forces and other security services are currently confronting calls for a more concise approach towards mitigating the issues. In view of this, I am committed to ensuring a conducive and secure environment for the protection of lives and properties for socio-economic activities to thrive. To ensure this, the armed forces under my leadership is poised to fulfilling its constitutional roles in order to defend Nigeria's sovereignty against internal and external aggression. Never in the recent past is the requirement for proactive, adaptive, and inclusive leadership more needed than Nigeria's security environment of today. These requirements are what I intend to meet as the Chief of Army Staff.
The confirmation of the service chiefs or otherwise is likely to happen during Tuesday's plenary, when the ad hoc committee submits its report. Terry Ikumi, Channels Television News.